Welcome guys, let's learn how to take screenshots. So head over to your Adobe Premiere Pro, create a new project, and let's rename these screenshots. So once I'm done, I'm going to click on OK. Then the next step to do is to import your clip directly into your project. So I'm going to be dragging and dropping this right here into my project, and you can see it's imported already. I'm going to double click here for it to show on the preview screen. Then the next thing to do is to drag and place it right in the sequence. So let's go ahead to the part we want to screenshot. So let's say I want to screenshot this section of this. I'm going to go ahead to click on this camera icon right here, then tap on this, and I'm going to see it. So you can decide to name it whatever. You can decide to choose any format you want. So you have JPEG, you have GIF, you have PNG. So I'll be leaving this on PNG, and I can import this also into my project. So it's going to appear here. I can click on OK once I'm done with every setting. So you can see it's going to show ID my desktop, so I can see I've taken a screenshot and it's right here in my projects list. So what I'm just going to do now is to go ahead to check if this is in my desktop, and you can see right here the screenshot is also saved to my desktop, and this is it. So like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.